Hi friends, welcome back to PNC Exclusive Maths. Today I am going to continue the part 2 explanation of pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope you understood my previous topic. It is continuation of the types of algebraic methods with examples. I have already discussed it in my previous video, solving the pair of linear equations in two variables by algebraic methods in three ways. That is substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now let me start with first method of algebraic methods, that is substitution method. Let us go with one example. 2x minus y is equals to 5. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. In this method, we make one of the variable either x or y as the subject from the first equation. Now I am taking y as the subject. Taking y as the subject. So that is equation 1 becomes y is equals to 2x minus 5. Y is equals to 2x minus y. This value, we substitute this value in the second equation. Equation 2 implies 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 5 is equals to 11. That is 3x plus 4x minus 10 is equals to 11. 3x plus 4x is equals to 7x minus 10 transpose to that side. 11 plus 10, it is equals to 7x is equals to 21. On both sides by simplification, 7 ones are 7 threes are. Therefore, x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. This x value again we substituting in equation 1 or 2. Now substituting x value in equation 1. 2 into 3 minus y is equals to 5. It implies 6 minus y is equals to 5. So plus 6 transpose to RHS is equals to minus y is equals to 5 minus 6. Minus y is equals to minus 1. Here minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. We substitute the values of x and y in both equations. So equation 1 implies LHS is equals to 2 into 3 minus 1 is equals to 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. That is equals to RHS. Equation 2 implies LHS is equals to 3 into 3 plus 2 into 1, 9 plus 2, that is equals to 11 RHS. So both the equations are satisfied by x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. Therefore, the required solution of given pair of equations is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. So friends, now move on to the second method of algebraic methods, that is elimination method. In this method, we first try to eliminate one of the two variables, either x or y, and by reducing the system to equation in one variable. Then we solve for the variable. The following steps may be adapted. Step 1. Multiply both the equations by same suitable non-zero constants to make the coefficients of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. Step 2. Add or subtract one equation from another equation so that one variable gets eliminated. If we get an equation in one variable, proceed to step 3. Then step 3. Solve the equation in one variable, either x or y, so obtain to get its value. We observe these two equations in step 2. If in step 2 we obtain a true statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. If in step 2 we obtain a false statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equations has no solution. That is, the equations are going to be inconsistent. Okay. Now let us go with one example. Equation 1, 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. That is equation 2. Let us eliminate x from given equations. Therefore, the coefficients of x are 3 and 2. So we multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So equation 1 into 2, it implies 2 into 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. Therefore 6x plus 4y is equals to 22. Equation 3. Similarly, equation 2 into 3, it implies 3 into 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Therefore 6x plus 9y is equals to 12. Equation 4. Now we subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We get 6x plus 4y is equals to 22. 6x plus 9y is equals to 12. So minus, minus, minus. Here plus 6x minus 6x will get cancelled. Plus 4 minus 9 is minus 5 is equals to 10. By cancellation, 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore, y is equals to minus 2. Substitute y value in equation 1. Equation 1 implies 3x plus 2 into minus 2 is equals to 11. 3x minus into minus 4 is equals to 11. 3x is equals to 11 plus 4. It implies 3x is equals to 15. By simplification on both sides, 3 ones are 3 fives are. Therefore, x is equals to 5. Now, substitute x and y values in both equations. Equation 1 implies 3 into 5, LHS 3 into 5 plus 2 into minus 2, 15 minus 4 is equals to 11 RHS. Then equation 2 implies LHS 2 into 5 plus 3 into minus 2, 10 minus 6 is equals to 4 RHS. Therefore, both the equations are satisfied by x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2. Therefore, the required solution of given pair of equations is x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2. X is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2. So friends, let us go with third method of algebraic methods, that is cross multiplication method. I already told you in my previous video, standard form of pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This method is very useful for many competitive exams. Here there is a one formula, that is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. X by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. C1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So formula is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Let me check as already solved in previous example. Example is 3x plus 2y is equals to 11 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Here a1 is equals to 3, a2 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to 3 and c1 is equals to minus 11, c2 is equals to minus 4. We substitute these values given formula, that is x by b1 c2, b1 c2, 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus b2 c1, b2 c1 minus 11 into 3 minus 33 plus 33 is equals to 1 by a1 b2 3 3s are 9 minus a2 b1 minus 4. It implies x by 25 is equals to 1 by 5. By simplification on both sides, 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore, x is equals to 5. Similarly, y by c1 a2 minus 11 into 2 minus 22 minus c2 a1 3 into minus 4 minus 12 minus plus 12 is equals to 1 by a1 b2, that is 9 b1 a2, that is 4. So y by minus 22 plus 12 minus 10 is equals to 1 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore y is equals to minus 2. So friends, in previous example we got same values, x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2. Friends, thank you for your valuable time. I hope you got awareness on this topic and you may eagerly waiting for my coming video on some important problems, that is examination point of view problems on this same topic. Before I am closing this session, please wear mask and use sanitizer, save your lives. So friends, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good time.